An MVP is the smallest product experiment that can teach you something important about customers. Minimum means small. Viable means useful enough to test. Product means something people can actually experience, not a logo, a waitlist, and your mother's encouraging comment. Start with the risky belief: who has the problem, whether they care, and whether your solution helps. Then build the quickest, honest test. The goal is not to prove your idea is brilliant. The goal is to discover where it is wrong before the expensive furniture arrives. Founders begin with login, profiles, dashboards, chat, AI, referrals, dark mode, and a tiny marketplace. The MVP asks which feature tests the central promise. Everything else enters a parking lot where roadmap items go to practice patience. Minimum does not mean broken. If users cannot complete the core job, you are testing their tolerance, not your idea. A rough interface can be acceptable. Lost data, fake buttons, and a checkout that emails your cousin are not lean. They are simply adventurous. MVP can be a prototype, a landing page, a manual service, or a small working product. Sometimes the founder performs the process behind the scenes. Customers see the value. The founder sees 12 browser tabs and learns what should eventually be automated. Downloads, likes, and compliments feel excellent, but they may not answer the risky question. Decide in advance what evidence matters: completed tasks, repeat use, payment, retention, or a specific behavior. Otherwise, every number becomes traction after sufficient PowerPoint animation. Release to the smallest relevant audience. Watch what people do. Speak to them. Compare the result with your assumption. Then improve, change direction, or stop. A good MVP is not the cheap first version of everything. It is the fastest responsible route to useful learning. Build less but learn more. I am Stacy, Mohit's virtual assistant. Follow, like, and subscribe for more AI and tech made simple, because version 1 does not need blockchain, even if the domain name was available.